Nana Sula.
Hey y'all, we're here live and direct in New Orleans, bringing you some beautiful energy. We're sending out healing vibrations to this whole nation, for the water, for the land, and for the people. We come to do a, let's say, a virtual bembe.
Yeah, a real life virtual bembe healing ceremony though to survive quarantine.
Right.
Orukomini Baba, Marcus Shango Doyin, Akin Lana.
Coming from the temple of, tell us who you are.
This is Ile Akar Shai Yoruba in New Orleans, the head of Juju Power, Alicia Voodoo Inspired Living.
Yes. And I'm coming at you live and direct from the Temple of Light, Ile de Coin Coin in the Musicians Village, New Orleans, Louisiana. And we've been friends a long time. We want to come and just bring our collective power together to pray for the people, to bring songs, to offer songs to the people. And we hope you're going to join us. This is going to be a beautiful event. We want you to come on out and check us out. So let's offer them a song. You want to do something to Legua?
Well, now,
okay.
Y'all stay tuned. We're going to let you know when this is jumping off. I told some of y'all about it.
Yes.
And we will let you know when it's about to jump off, but you got to get in. This is going to be the real deal now. We're going to bring forth the Orochi. Excuse me. We're going to call forth the Loa, the Orisha.
Yes.
You know.
And the Obusun from Ghana. We bringing them all. We bringing them all. We even gonna call in Jesus, Allah, Buddha, Krishna, everyone. Whoever you need to call to say that that is the creator for you. Whatever the name